Para sa mga moms natin dyan na merong diastasis recti or abdominal separation. 6 simple exercise. Number 1, simple vacuum or tummy suck-in. So, hinihigop nyo lang po or vina-vacuum nyo yung stomach nyo. Okay, para po lumakas yung inner core natin. Number 2, naka all fours po kayo, then sinasuck-in nyo rin po yung stomach nyo or yung diaphragm nyo. Okay, very important po na dahan-dahan lang yung movement. Number 3 is hollow hold, then knee ups. So dahan-dahan lang po yung movement ha. So naka-hollow hold po kayo, then aangat nyo lang po yung tuhod nyo. Huwag po babigla ang movement. Hip bridges, and make sure nakasak in po yung core nyo or naka-engage yung core nyo. Number 5, reverse plank, and naka-engage yung core nyo all the time. Dahan-dahan lang po ang movement again, okay? So, wag pong pabigla kasi baka bumuka po yung abdominal muscle nyo. And last one natin is bird dog, slow and controlled. So, yun po, I hope nakatulong to para mag-improve yung abdominal separation nyo.